Hello everyone, so you have recently got yourself a 360 S8 Botslab, which is a vacuum and a mop. Now we'll talk about how to set it up today and how to get it to use with the application. Now this device comes with two buttons on the unit itself, which is the charge and the power button. On the back of the unit we have two charging points and an outlet to clean up the dirt bag. It has a LiDAR sensor that helps it to navigate and map your floor as well. Auto empty box has a 4-liter capacity. Once the device is set up correctly, you can actually ask it to go and charge itself using an app. To register this app on the application, you need to download the app called Botslab from your Play Store. Once you register your device, you can then set up the permissions, add up your device using the interface menu as shown in the video. Then you select your device. In my case it's a 360 S8 Plus. So once you do that, it will then ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi of your phone. Now in my case I've already done it, so please follow the instructions. You will see a range of options that you can do. Firstly, you'll have to give it a name of the device, whatever you want to name it, and then after that's done, let it run for a few cleanups, and then once it's all done, it will map your house